Hi everyone, hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. It's going to dive into XRP. Thank you for your support again. Big up the CoinsKid crew. And if you're not following us on Twitter, do head over to Twitter. The links to everything, the Telegram, the Patreon, the whole lot is in each video description and on CoinsKid.com. So right now you can see XRP has met all our targets so far, hasn't it? The breakdown targets especially, not the upside targets yet. So right now you can see that this particular breakdown target that we gave you, the short opportunity right there, when you lose support, go short. And we said, you know, you're breaking out of this triangle and right there down to 60 cents. So that was a 29% short opportunity. Wow, that's amazing. So right now you can see that XRP bounced on it as support, which is unbelievable. Bounced on it. Look at that. Wow. Started to pick up. Then it's actually come under the cosh again and it's starting to lose it as support right now. You're wicking down below it right there. Do you see that? Now, obviously, it could continue to roll over here. But obviously, as you're aware, and I've taught you in the past, when you start to get a little bit too overextended on the EMAs, what happens? You always come back to it to either test as resistance when you're in a downtrend, or you test as support when you're in an uptrend. And if they hold, great. If they don't, damn, because you're losing support and you know, lose support, go short basically. But if we break resistance, go long. That's the reversal of it. Okay, so right now do anticipate that you may see towards the end of the week, because this selling can't happen forever. Okay, remember that. People run out of selling, basically. The sellers run out of steam, just like the buyers run out of steam. And these are the EMAs. These are so important. This is why you see it coming back to it. Hold support, continuation, great. You know, if you come up in it, resistance again, continuation, great for the shorters of the market right there. Like here, you got overextended, you come back up to the EMAs, yeah, resistance, see you later, rolling back over still. So right now, you know, do anticipate that potentially you could see XRP start to pick up and come back up to the daily 20 to retest as resistance once more. Okay, so do anticipate that. Now, obviously, if it does continue to roll here, you want to know where the next level of support is, don't you? So I'll give you this level of support here at 060. Okay, and right now you can see it's under that at the moment. Now there is another key level of support which I will show you, and one really easy way, and this is how I found this 060, obviously, is a swing high. You see all this noise around here, look, resistance, support, bit of support right there, and it was a very highly tradable area. This is sort of area. This is why I gave you the 060, and obviously it's a Fibonacci retracement, 050 on the weekly just there, but I won't jump into that at the moment. So you can see this is a really traded area just there, right there. Do you see that? And obviously when you start to lose the swing highs, target to swing lows, and you can see this is an area just there, a swing low area just there, where I would imagine you would find another level of support right there. There is also another indicator that you want to bring into your charts to show you, okay, key levels of area of support and resistance. You know, when you break up here and you start to come up, you will run into resistance, and another little indicator can show you that. And right now it's called the VPVR. Okay, so this basically shows you where there was a lot of volume traded for that particular area in the charts just there, and you can see this is where XRP right now is finding this level of support. Do you see this? Okay, so obviously if it starts to roll here, you could see it just roll over and come to this next level of support right here. This is why I'm going to drop this particular target in for you right now for XRP. So this is a keen area, and this is called the VPVR. And obviously, as you can see, that if you did lose this area just here, this way you could roll over again and potentially come down to 28 cents, where you would find a massive level of support just there. Do you see that? It's a highly tradable area. I think that was like a multi-year level of support that XRP just ranged in. Okay, so yeah, this is a really cool indicator. It's called the VPVR. And these are my settings. Row size is 100, volume is 100 up and down as well. Okay, so that's basically it. Everything else is style, pretty much default, to be honest with you. I think I changed the width of the box actually from the default value, and that gives me that. So yeah, so that's a VPVR. It's a cool little indicator you want to drop into your charts. Okay, so it just shows you where high levels of support and resistance are. You know, so for example, say we start to pump here, you can see between this range here there wasn't much volume just here. Do you see this? So this is where you could see a bounce of XRP come back up and run into this level here as resistance. Do you see that? Because there's not much going on there. Do you see that? So yeah, it's a good little indicator, to be fair. So do anticipate that XRP at some point, when it comes up and breaks this level of resistance right now, because this is a high level of resistance that XRP is under, you've bounced off it as support, you've lost it as support, and like I said to you, lose support, go short. So potentially XRP is on its way to that, unless you see a pickup, break this level of resistance. This is where you could see XRP get a nice little relief rally and coming back up to test this daily 20 EMA as resistance, just like you did in this particular breakdown here, where you came down, you sort of capitulated, come back up, you test the key level resistance, and hit your head on the 20, confirming you was in this sort of downtrend right now for XRP. Okay, that's basically XRP. Break resistance, go long. Okay, not financial advice, but if you break this resistance right here, then I would anticipate, you know, a nice little pump up to the daily 20, wherever it is at the time. And obviously right now you can see that you're losing support. So at the moment the bias is, if you do start to close the day out above this level of support right here, okay, below this level of support that you've turned into resistance, to anticipate a potential retest of this zone here at 0.46 for XRP. And like I said to you, from here right now, that's a further 19.57% depreciation right there for XRP. It is what it is, unfortunately, but you know, like I said to you, we do tend to find a reversal in the market. What I'm going to do right now is look at the stock RSI on the weekly. You can see what that's in the floor, basically, almost. So again, do target this particular level, like I've told you last week. Okay, this is this green bar, where this green bar is the absolute lowest XRP's ever been, and the stock RSI, and you can see that each time it's there, it bounce. Okay, so do anticipate this particular level right here as you bottom. Okay, for XRP. So that's basically XRP. I'll be back tomorrow with another update. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.